Hello, my name's Zach. I'm here with On the Spot window cleaning, and I'm going to teach you how to clean glass rails today with a DI brush. So typically, usually when I start with a lot of glass rails in a row like this, I go around the top and just rinse all the salt off. And as I work down the row, I come back with a yellow towel, just clean it off, get it running down. And then with glass rails, usually I'll start with the outside, but I'll always come back to this at the end. So I'll start by scrubbing the outside, working down, and then coming back on the inside, and then rinsing it all, obviously, but I'll show you. So I'll start at the top and try my best to get all the salt down, and then I'll scrub up and down, side to side. After I'm done scrubbing, I'll rinse from the top to the bottom. And then I'll switch the angle on my brush to where I could work side to side on the inside. And same as last time, I'll start with the top. And then especially if you have little brackets right here, that collects a lot of salt. So I try to scrub this the best I can, get all the salt out of it. And then after I'm done rinsing this, I'll check my work and see if there's any pollen or anything that's stuck to it. Typically, you'll see a little break in the water. So there's nothing really right here, but you'll see it. There'll be a break around whatever's on the glass. You just go back, double check. I got a piece right here. It just kind of breaks the...
Put your finger on it.
Oh, it's on the outside, but
put your finger there, it'll focus on the glass here. All right, cool.
Once I double check my work, I'll just go ahead and clean it up. If I need to use my yellow towel to scrape off the pollen, I will. But then I'll go back to the outside after rinsing the inside, and it should be finished.